The year 2025 marks a crucial turning point for South Africa's livestock sector. After facing a mix of challenges in recent years, the industry is poised for a period of adjustment and potential growth. Economic factors, both globally and within South Africa, will play a significant role in shaping livestock prices throughout the year. Interest rates, a key driver of borrowing costs for farmers, are expected to stabilize. This will offer some relief and support investment in the sector. Feed costs, often a major expense for livestock producers, remain a concern. Global supply chain dynamics and weather patterns will continue to influence the price of animal feed. Consumer demand within South Africa is projected to see moderate growth. Rising urbanization and evolving dietary preferences will factor into this demand. The international trade landscape presents both opportunities and challenges. South African livestock producers will be looking to capitalize on export markets while navigating potential trade barriers. The beef sector in South Africa is expected to experience a rebound in 2025. After a period of depressed prices in 2024, several factors suggest a more positive outlook. Falling interest rates will provide some financial relief to beef producers, allowing for reinvestment in their operations. This, coupled with a recovering economy, is likely to bolster consumer demand for beef. However, feed costs are anticipated to remain volatile, which could impact profit margins for farmers. The lamb and mutton sector faces a delicate balancing act in 2025. Growing export demand, particularly from the Middle East, presents lucrative opportunities for South African producers. This strong export demand could push prices upward. However, domestic demand for lamb and mutton is expected to remain relatively stable. Producers will need to carefully assess both domestic and international market dynamics to maximize their returns. Section 4. Pork supply and demand find equilibrium. The pork sector is poised for greater stability in 2025. After a period of oversupply in 2024, which led to depressed prices, the market is expected to find a better balance between supply and demand. This correction in supply is likely to result in more stable prices for pork throughout the year. Consumer demand for pork remains steady in South Africa, supported by its affordability compared to other protein sources. Section 5. Poultry, recovering from avian influenza. The poultry sector continues its recovery from the impact of avian influenza outbreaks in recent years. Stringent biosecurity measures remain crucial to prevent future outbreaks and ensure the stability of the industry. Consumer demand for poultry is expected to remain strong, driven by its affordability and versatility. However, ongoing risks associated with avian influenza and potential increases in feed costs present challenges for poultry producers. Section 6. Navigating the future of livestock in South Africa. In conclusion, 2025 presents a mixed bag of opportunities and challenges for South Africa's livestock sector. Beef is expected to rebound, while lamb and mutton producers will need to carefully balance domestic and export markets. Pork should see greater price stability, and poultry continues its recovery from avian influenza. Understanding these trends is essential for anyone involved in the livestock industry. Whether you are a farmer, investor, or simply a consumer, staying informed about the factors shaping livestock prices will allow you to make more informed decisions in the coming year.